I don't have any presentation to make with the permission from chair. I would first want to thank Vipul sir for having us here and conducting all this. I think it's happening first time in J&K, where industry has been brought to Srinagar in J&K and has been able to interact with various government offices across the country and even from the state. So at Intel, education is very close to our heart. As sir was saying that, you need to break barriers on providing education to people who don't have access. What I want to put across is today the ICT is the only mean which we understand to make sure that this nation, as far as education index is concerned, grows up, and so will the nation's development go up. At Intel, we have a lot of interventions within education, within trainings, a lot of employee development skills that we do. We have trained at least 8 to 9 million teachers across India to make them aware about how do they run their classrooms, actual classrooms, using ICT, using computers, and how do they, go beyond the walls, 4 walls of a classroom and deliver the education to kids which are, which don't have an access to the classroom. Within J&K, I understand that you have 70% of government-run schools and only 30% of private schools are available. And within this state and the terrain, if you look at, it is humanly not possible to people to reach, places and deliver education. Wherein ICT as a tool, so, technology as a tool can be the, it can be a very big supporter to go ahead and educate people, which is actually the need of this state today, to make sure they become, if they become aware, they become employable. We in our own parlance are doing bits and bytes in J&K. We had set up a lab at DOAC with Moon sir, which is running. They keep training people. We have done a course completion for your entrepreneur development center, which is running in J&K. They run on our course. They train entrepreneurs that how do you make projects, project-based projects, so that you can submit those projects and can make meaningful decisions while delivering your business. So education as a whole, as we have been discussing, is a very integral part of any society to grow. If you want a society to grow, if you want society to take a right direction, I think as sir rightly pointed out, it has to reach to the person who doesn't have the reach. And at Intel, we have a lot of solutions and we do a lot of projects with various state governments to make sure that that gap, that digital gap is been bridged and you get the education to the poorest. And we, we have pledged our support to the state itself. And I think we're blessed to have Vipul sir within the state who will probably foster the idea beyond the 4 walls of the school education. That's what I have to say, sir. Thank you.